Alright guys, we just got the header for the Lunchbox. September 13th, we're getting the full header back exhaust installed with a 12-inch race cat and a racing muffler with a resonator delete. So this thing should sound pretty angry when we're done. Today I'm going to show you how to ceramic coat and wrap a header. So stay tuned. So guys, first things we're going to do is glove up so we don't get fingerprints all over the header. And then we're going to take our scuff pad and we're going to scuff the entire header. What we don't need to scuff is this stuff. And we don't need to scuff any of this. This will all be taped off. So all we want to do is scuff the runners and the collector. So we got the whole header scuffed up and degreased. I don't know if you can tell, but it's slightly scuffed up compared to how it was. This is how it was. This is how it looks now. It's slightly scuffed up. It's been degreased. Actually took a lot of crap off of it, as you can see. So before you ever paint any of your exhaust, make sure you do that. Scuff it up and degrease it. It'll definitely help with the finish. So now what we're going to do is we're going to tape off the areas we don't want any paint on. And then we're going to stick it in the sun and let it get hot for a while. And then we're going to paint it. The header's been sitting for about, I don't know, close to 10 minutes roughly. Now we're going to start spraying our paint. We got the VHT satin clear. We've done everything it says to prep it so far, so we're going to get a light coat sprayed on it, and then we're going to let it cure for about 10 to 15 minutes in the sun. Alright guys, we waited our 10 minutes, sprayed our second coat on it, and now you can kind of see how the finish is starting to look. It's very ceramic. That's about the only way you can put it, because it's a ceramic coating. You can tell the difference from the part that isn't done to the part that is done. So guys, here's how I'm curing it. I basically cut a hole in the shipping box, stuck the header in there, stuck a hairdryer on high hot, and we're gonna let it bake for about 20 minutes. All right guys, so this is how I'm baking it. I've already got it all wrapped. What I'm doing is I'm just gonna let it sit in there at a certain temperature for a certain amount of time. Then I'm gonna let it cool off, and then I'm gonna do it again, and it's basically gonna do its heat cycles. Wrapping it is basically pretty easy. You just gotta take your time, figure it out. It's kind of like a little puzzle. Once you understand it and you get it going, you'll fly right through it. So yeah, I'm gonna let this heat up some more and bake on, and we'll get back to you. So guys, here's the finished product. I've done a couple heat cycles. The first heat cycle was at like 250 degrees, 300 degrees for about 15 minutes in the grill. I let it cool off completely, let it sit for about an hour, and then I did another heat cycle at about 400 to 450 degrees at about 10 minutes, took it out, let it cool, and this is the finished product. So we shouldn't have any problems when we install this. It shouldn't burn, it shouldn't melt, shouldn't stink, shouldn't do anything. We should be able to bolt it up and be good. So if you guys like this video, hit that thumbs up, like and subscribe guys. The next video we'll be installing this. We already installed the stage 2 race clutch. I didn't get video of it. It kind of turned into a hassle and my camera ended up dying, but whatever. We get the stage 2 clutch in there. I got some heavy duty axles that are ready to go in. I got the header. September 13th, the header back race exhaust gets put on. So stay tuned for that video guys. Like, subscribe. Peace out.